गोवा ऑफरोड चॅलेंजाचो तिसरो सीझन ऑफरोड ट्रेल क्लब 19 नोव्हेंबराक नावेली मडगाव घडोवन हाडटा। ह्या चॅलेंजात गोंय आनी शेजारच्या राज्यांतले 50 वयर ऑफरोड मोगी वांटो घेतले। सहभागी गाड्यो 4x4 आसतली आनी स्टॉक, मॉडिफाईड आनी प्रो मॉडिफाईड अशें वर्गीकरण करतले आनी दरेका वर्गा खातीर इनामां मेळटली। हो खेळ वाहनांचो ऑफरोड क्षमता अनुभवपाक सोदपी लोकां खातीर आसा। गोवा ऑफरोड चॅलेंज 2023 ऑफरोड ट्रेल क्लब हांनी नावेलीत हो चॅलेंज घडोवन हाडटले। ह्या कार्यावळीत मारुती सुझुकी जिमी, महेंद्र थार पुरायपणान कस्टम बिल्ड 4x4 वाहनां आसतली। सकाळी 9 वरांचेर मडगाव मतदारसंघाचे आमदार दिगंबर कामत कार्यावळीक हिरवो बावटो दाखोवन सुरवात करतले। पळयात पुराय बातमी।
The love for off-road. We came together as just friends and met with our 4x4 cars, and then from there we thought of getting together as a brotherhood and many more things that we did in that. We participated in national levels as a team, OTC. We participated in the international event of RFC where we won as the best team and the #1 team for that year. After that, we did something called Freedom Challenge in 2019, and then since competitions kept the people out who were just normal drivers and who just wanted to drive around, we thought of organizing something for the laymen who have 4x4 cars and would want to be a part of us as doing something together. So we did a fun trail. In a fun trail we just drive around on a designated track that is there, and based on that then you follow the leader car. Besides that, keeping all that aside, now our next event is now on 19th of November, which we are looking at many participants coming out of Goa too. So it's something that we are all looking forward to. This event will be flagged off by Mr. Digambar Kamath, MLA of Margao constituency. And when many people have the conception that this is a race, this is not a race. This is purely going to be fellow off-roaders coming together, using your talent for the tracks you've created, just to see how you can tackle the obstacles. And yes, you will be awarded for your talent and your driving skills.
It's not a race, so it is not going from point A to point B. It is about going through a designated track and completing hurdles. So on every track there are either 2 or 3 difficult hurdles that are designed based on
All man-made hurdles.
Yeah, all man-made hurdles. They are designed based on which category is going to perform in it. So if it's a stock category, then there will be track designed specifically for a stock category, so that you don't end up damaging your brand new vehicle. Whereas for co-modified, there are a lot of different recovery mechanisms, like a winch is being used, so you will have to use your self-recovery equipment to get yourself out of certain, maybe a big ditch that you have to come out of, and so on. So it's not about a distance, it's not about going from point A to point B, it's about going around the track, and it's a technical track about how well you are able to overcome that.
GOA365 खातीर संदीप तोयेकार, मनीषा जाधव आणि सानिका नागवेकर।